love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm doing the long-awaited dorm room tour, or college dorm room tour. I'm pretty much finished with my room. I think. I don't think there's anything else I would want to add. I'm pretty happy with it, so I hope you guys enjoy today's video because I feel like I've been looking forward to this video for so long, and I'm really excited for you guys to see the new filming setup and just how cute my room is, because it took me so long to decorate it and figure out what kind of theme I wanted. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's just get started. So here is my door. I basically just put up these little command hooks so that I could hang like belts and my purses on here. I think it's just easy, and that way my purses aren't just like laying on the ground. And then on the side, this is my dresser. It's pretty small, and I just have my little tripod next to it and my laundry basket, just because I don't really know where else to put the laundry basket, and I think it looks fine right here. And here is my little dresser. I guess I can show you guys. In the first one, I have a bunch of random things, just like towels and trash bags. And in the first drawer, I have my underwear and bras. And in the next one, I just have like lounge clothes. And the bottom one, I'm not going to show you guys because it's a mess. It's just random things. And in here, I have my coats and my jackets and things like that. That's pretty much it. And I also have a mirror right here, so that's awesome. If we move to the side of my bed, I feel like I should do something right here. I just don't know what more I could really do, so I'm just kind of like leaving that blank for now. I have my bed, which this throw blanket is from TJ Maxx, and then this super cute comforter is from Target. It's like white and wrinkly. I think it looks super cute and simple. And here we have my tapestry. This is from Amazon. I had it since last year. I just re-put it up because I think it looks really cute with my room. And these are my little pillows. I don't have any throw pillows just because I feel like I don't have enough room on my bed. I live in a twin, so it's kind of hard. And these don't match, but I think it's fine. It's not that big of a deal. On this wall, I love this wall. Basically, this little plant picture frame is from Hobby Lobby, and I got it for like $10. You can use the coupons. This little cloud LED light is from Amazon, and this little, what is this called? I don't even know what this is, like a wreath I guess, is from Hobby Lobby as well. It just has white flowers, and I hang everything up with command strips, so that's what that is. And on the bottom, I just have all my little extension cords. I have a little Glade plug-in and my MacBook charger, phone charger, and all of that. If you turn to the side right here, there's some shoe cubbies, so I just put like random shoes in there that wouldn't fit in my closet. And I also have some, what is it, dressers underneath my bed. So here I have all of my crop tops. I organized them by color, and these are just most of my everyday going out tops. And in the bottom one, I have my jean shorts and jeans and skirts. And then I have two more right here, which these are all of my denim, so like long pants. And in this drawer, I have like leggings and just like comfy clothes too. So I try to color coordinate them, but it's like halfway color coordinated. So that is this side of my room. Just a little overview. I think it looks pretty cute. And then here I have my beautiful view of the desert and the mountains, but it's fine. And on this side, I have my backpack and my trash can. It's not that cute, but I didn't feel like buying one. And here I have my little hanging vines that I got from Amazon. I think they look beautiful and so cute. I love this wall. And here's my desk. I have water in there and my little Star Night light projector, which I will insert a clip right here of what it looks like at night because it looks super cool. Got that off of Amazon. And then this is like my little jewelry box. So in here I just keep all of my jewelry. Super simple. I have my MacBook right here and some random lashes that I should have probably put away. And then I have my little round circular mirror that I hauled in my HomeGoods haul. I'll have that linked somewhere in this video. And I think it's so cute. I just like leaned it against the wall because I didn't know really how to do it. And here we have my makeup mirror. This vase is from Goodwill and I just added some real flowers from, I don't even know where I bought them. I think I bought them from someone selling on the side of the street, but I think it looks really cute. Doesn't really go with my room. I definitely want like white flowers next time, but that's okay. And this bowl is from Goodwill as well. I just put like my hair accessories and rubber bands and stuff like that. I have my Starbucks, and then here on this side I have this super cute little, I don't know what it's called. Is it like a little tapestry? A little wall hanging thing. I think it's so cute. I got that from TJ Maxx for a really good price. And then we have my desk chair, which just kind of has a blanket that I made. I just threw that over so it wouldn't clash with my room. And then in these drawers, super random, but I have my makeup in this one. These little organizers are from Target and it's like kind of organized but not really. This one is a bunch of random things, so I just have masks and some perfume, setting spray, and my makeup brushes, and I also have a tag in here, don't know why. And then in the bottom one, it's really random, but I just have, this is like my junk drawer, I call it. So it's like my school stuff and then like my medication for my acne. And that is about it for my room. I guess I'll just give you guys one more overview. So alrighty everyone, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. I had so much fun planning this video and like decorating my room and filming this video for you guys. So if it was helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it would mean so much to me. And yeah, I guess that's all for today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!